Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we voiced the sentences used in daily life. Listen carefully and repeat the sentences. You can turn on subtitles if you wish. Let's start.
Tom, hold your horses.
Tom, hold your horses.
We won the battle.
We won the battle.
Shouldn't you go home?
Shouldn't you go home?
I want to scream.
I want to scream.
I almost believe you.
I almost believe you.
This box contains apples.
This box contains apples.
Crime is increasing steadily.
Crime is increasing steadily.
There were 2 abstentions.
There were 2 abstentions.
Your strategy was good.
Your strategy was good.
We're not yet through.
We're not yet through.
Please lower the window.
Please lower the window.
Tom is standing up.
Tom is standing up.
This is good stuff.
This is good stuff.
He had few teeth.
He had few teeth.
Who allowed her in?
Who allowed her in?
We should act quickly.
We should act quickly.
Beautiful, don't you think?
Beautiful, don't you think?
It's a redundant text.
It's a redundant text.
I felt pretty comfortable.
I felt pretty comfortable.
Hey! Come here, please.
Hey! Come here, please.
We traveled on foot.
We traveled on foot.
Look out for Tom.
Look out for Tom.
He's just kidding you.
He's just kidding you.
Tom dislocated his shoulder.
Tom dislocated his shoulder.
The confusion beggars belief.
The confusion beggars belief.
I'll take my car.
I'll take my car.
We'll be well paid.
We'll be well paid.
Tom heard the drums.
Tom heard the drums.
She really likes gossiping.
She really likes gossiping.
She is getting old.
She is getting old.
I'll never forgive him.
I'll never forgive him.
You are absolutely right.
You are absolutely right.
I can't help that.
I can't help that.
I am still young.
I am still young.
Let's ask some questions.
Let's ask some questions.
I could scarcely breathe.
I could scarcely breathe.
Like my new pants?
Like my new pants?
Tom never eats quiche.
Tom never eats quiche.
The crowd calmed down.
The crowd calmed down.
He lowered the curtain.
He lowered the curtain.
I believe in that.
I believe in that.
Add up these figures.
Add up these figures.
I already told her.
I already told her.
You will ruin me.
You will ruin me.
Good cannot fight good.
Good cannot fight good.
I am very happy.
I am very happy.
Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video and comment. You can write your suggestions and requests in the comments. Let's continue. Don't be a moron.
Don't be a moron.
He dismissed the employee.
He dismissed the employee.
What should be done?
What should be done?
I am still eating.
I am still eating.
He doesn't mix well.
He doesn't mix well.
They were extremely excited.
They were extremely excited.
Give it up, Tom.
Give it up, Tom.
The boy was full.
The boy was full.
I'm ready to leave.
I'm ready to leave.
I wash my socks.
I wash my socks.
Let's pretend we're aliens.
Let's pretend we're aliens.
Tom called her again.
Tom called her again.
I'm studying English drama.
I'm studying English drama.
Tom didn't seem angry.
Tom didn't seem angry.
It's not a fish.
It's not a fish.
Which one is she?
Which one is she?
May he live long.
May he live long.
She was in tears.
She was in tears.
Turn on channel 4.
Turn on channel 4.
Tom is a threat.
Tom is a threat.
This must encourage you.
This must encourage you.
I just wanted clarification.
I just wanted clarification.
Tom's opponent was Mary.
Tom's opponent was Mary.
Don't ever underestimate Tom.
Don't ever underestimate Tom.
Nobody defends my country.
Nobody defends my country.
I believe I understand.
I believe I understand.
These containers are airtight.
These containers are airtight.
What are you waiting for?
What are you waiting for?
They are all ears.
They are all ears.
He is having lunch.
He is having lunch.
We can't stop her.
We can't stop her.
Everybody laughed except her.
Everybody laughed except her.
We look like children.
We look like children.
Someone stole my wallet.
Someone stole my wallet.
Are you tired, sweetie?
Are you tired, sweetie?
What's all the commotion?
What's all the commotion?
I love French movies.
I love French movies.
I couldn't stop giggling.
I couldn't stop giggling.
Tom raises racing pigeons.
Tom raises racing pigeons.
Tom's house is haunted.
Tom's house is haunted.
The permafrost is thawing.
The permafrost is thawing.
That moped isn't mine.
That moped isn't mine.
How's your married life?
How's your married life?
This should do it.
This should do it.
Was it a joke?
Was it a joke?
Drink up your milk.
Drink up your milk.
Please fasten your seatbelt.
Please fasten your seatbelt.
They moved in together?
They moved in together?
People call him Dave.
People call him Dave.
Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video and comment. You can write your suggestions and requests in the comments. Let's continue. Many years went by.
Many years went by.
What is Tom eating?
What is Tom eating?
You should eat breakfast.
You should eat breakfast.
The structure isn't safe.
The structure isn't safe.
I was sacked out yesterday.
I was sacked out yesterday.
He cleaned it up.
He cleaned it up.
Why is everybody here?
Why is everybody here?
I don't see her.
I don't see her.
I had 2 dogs.
I had 2 dogs.
Where is the Rhoda?
Where is the Rhoda?
Her kindness touched me.
Her kindness touched me.
Hey, I was wrong.
Hey, I was wrong.
Mary can dance well.
Mary can dance well.
It's no problem, really.
It's no problem, really.
He's at her side.
He's at her side.
I needed it yesterday.
I needed it yesterday.
Tom doesn't listen anymore.
Tom doesn't listen anymore.
I believe that story.
I believe that story.
I like English class.
I like English class.
I like curry rice.
I like curry rice.
I'm on cloud 9.
I'm on cloud 9.
Is it the truth?
Is it the truth?
She's a stubborn woman.
She's a stubborn woman.
I heard about it.
I heard about it.
He could do it.
He could do it.
I'm absolutely burnt out.
I'm absolutely burnt out.
He didn't understand me.
He didn't understand me.
Can we get started?
Can we get started?
She's shallow and materialistic.
She's shallow and materialistic.
Cats are fickle creatures.
Cats are fickle creatures.
Tom ignored Mary's question.
Tom ignored Mary's question.
She folded the quilt.
She folded the quilt.
It's a pleasant feeling.
It's a pleasant feeling.
She's only a child.
She's only a child.
I feel wiped out.
I feel wiped out.
He told the truth.
He told the truth.
Don't approach the dog.
Don't approach the dog.
Tom interpreted for Mary.
Tom interpreted for Mary.
I watched a movie.
I watched a movie.
Tom will call me.
Tom will call me.
They are both good.
They are both good.
I can't undo it.
I can't undo it.
An accident just happened.
An accident just happened.
I've always known that.
I've always known that.
My sister started crying.
My sister started crying.
I want to vomit.
I want to vomit.
We aren't done yet.
We aren't done yet.
I've never regretted it.
I've never regretted it.
Those helmets are disgusting.
Those helmets are disgusting.
Did you live here?
Did you live here?
You heard from him?
You heard from him?
Last night I chundered.
Last night I chundered.